Hi, it's Mez from Thermotivation, just with a little tip for you. And it's all about money saving because I don't like waste. So Thermomix have in their mix shop a reusable Ziploc bag that holds 1,000 mils, and there are bigger ones, and that's what they look like. And they have a bar that slides across, and then you put your contents inside, and there is a stand that you can buy if that makes it easier. When you put your food in, you just slide that back across, and then it's ready for the fridge, freezer, whatever is suiting you. But what I wanted to show you, and I know you all know bananas, they're either not really ready to eat or they are brown spotted. There's a very, very short window of time in between when they're just right. So there are lots of recipes that you can use bananas for when they're really ripe. So that is my very ripe banana, not liquid. But if you peel it, break your banana into smaller pieces, depending on how big your bananas are, put them into one of these bags, and then put them into the freezer in pieces. It's much easier to work with your bananas when it's time to make your recipe. So one recipe that I like to use my frozen banana for is the Fruity Dream, which is on Cookie Dough. And you can add any fruit you like, but by using a piece of ripe banana, it gives it a natural sweetness, so you don't have to add any sugar. So I like to have 2 bananas in each of the bags, and then I know when I go to get them out of the freezer how many bananas I'm working with. But another of my favourite recipes, and it really does work best with frozen banana, is Donna Hayes' converted banana bread recipe, which she's converted for Thermomix. And you can grab these out of the freezer, throw them into your bowl, and it makes the best banana bread. And it's one of the recipes that has far less sugar than a lot of the other banana bread recipes, and that suits me too. So I hope that little trick might save you trying to peel your frozen bananas, or what to do with them once you've got them in your freezer. Thanks for listening.